Welcome to the Soul app, where we make accounting and invoicing easy. My name is Johann, and I'm here to walk you through your quick and secure account sign-up. As you can see, Soul provides unlimited professional quotes and invoices, real-time business performance tracking, and tax-ready receipts. To begin, click on the Sign Up tab on the right side of the screen. We require a valid email address and a strong secure password. Please ensure your password meets the minimum length, includes uppercase and lowercase letters, and at least one special character. Below the password field, you can select which accounting program you may be switching from, such as Xero or QuickBooks, to help us tailor your experience. Click Create Account. For security, we send a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided. Please check your inbox, enter the code into the verification fields, and click Verify and Continue. Once your email is verified, you will be welcomed to the Soul community. Click Let's Get Started to complete the final account information. This form collects vital business details for accurate invoicing and tax preparation. Please fill in your ABN if applicable, your business name, and your full name and contact information. Finally, enter your address details and select your industry from the drop-down menu. This helps tailor your dashboard for maximum relevance. Once complete, click Continue to Setup Guide to access your dashboard and begin managing your business finances immediately. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.